Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best battery-powered tool sets available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best battery-powered tool sets, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. DeWalt 6-Tool Combo Set. This combo set includes some of the most versatile power tools in your collection, such as an impact driver, drill/driver, reciprocating saw, and circular saw. And they're all made by one of the most reliable brands on the power tool market, DeWalt. While the tools all contain brushed motors, they're still more than powerful enough to handle any home project you throw at them. The drill/driver reaches top speeds of 2000 RPM, and the 6.5-inch circular saw eclipses 5100 RPM. This set still includes some fluff, a flashlight and Bluetooth speaker, but you also get two 2.0 Ah batteries, and the tools themselves are as reliable as any made by the Black and Yellow brand. Number 2. FASTPRO 232-piece 20V cordless lithium-ion drill driver and home tool set. The drill kit contains almost every basic hand tools you need for work and DIY projects around the house. The cordless drill driver is powered by a max-powerful 20-volt, 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery for enough power for a full range of applications. It features a 3/8-inch keyless chuck with a 19-position clutch adjusts torque output to control the depth of the screw or fastener. The drill is designed with variable 2-speed settings, 0-400 RPM and 0-1500 RPM, for multiple purposes. Pliers are constructed by forged steel with heat treatment for strength and durability, hardened cutting edge for easy jobs. 12-inch tool bag for well organization. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. Drill/driver features a 3/8-inch chuck, 0-650 RPM, ideal for consumer DIY projects, 11-position clutch to prevent stripping of screws and damaging work material, and an LED work light for increased visibility in tight or dark spaces. The circular saw's compact design makes it easy to use and reduces fatigue. The 5.5-inch blade is capable of cutting 2x lumber, and its high torque motor makes it ideal for consumer DIY projects. Adjustments are quick and easy with the tool-free depth of cut and bevel settings for angled cutting. Work light features up to 11 hours of runtime. 2 batteries double the runtime for less downtime on larger projects. Part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max * lithium-ion battery system. Number 4. Greenworks 24V Brushless 1-inch compact reciprocating saw. High-efficiency brushless motor delivers up to 35% more runtime, more power and longer motor life when compared to brushed tools. 1-inch stroke length and up to 3000 strokes per minute to deliver maximum power and make optimal cuts through the toughest materials. Easy tool-free release blade lever for quick and easy blade changes, allowing you to get back to work faster. Lightweight and compact, giving you better access in the workspace and for a variety of applications. Provides 20% more power and 35% more runtime, and delivers fade-free power. Number 5. Worx 20V 3/8-inch cordless drill with 84 PC accessory kit. With all-metal gearing, this cordless drill achieves a max torque of 265 Nlbs to breeze through common tasks such as furniture assembly, picturing hanging, drywall drilling/driving, home repairs, and DIY projects. The same PowerShare battery that runs this drill driver can conveniently be used with 140+ power tools, outdoor power equipment, and lifestyle products from the Worx PowerShare platform. Features the most useful bits for daily use, as well as essential hand tools to complete your power drill cordless experience, such as a hammer, tape measure, screwdriver, adjustable wrench, utility knife, and more. At only 6.8-inch long, the electric drill cordless design is optimized for easy drilling/driving in tight spaces. And weighing just 2.54 pounds, with battery, you can tackle long projects and overhead work without getting worn out. Quickly adjust the variable 2-speed settings, 0-400 RPM/0-1600 RPM, to use the cordless drill on a wide range of applications. Easily reverse direction for swift fastener removal.